At The Essential Experts, we connect science and business.
We develop and execute leadership programs, workshops, training, high-performing team buildings, webinars, keynotes, one-on-one executive tracks. Yet they are always tailored to your team and to your organization.
Confidentiality is paramount to us. Therefore, we do not disclose where clients are, and this also means that your logo will never be on our website, nor will the information that you share with us. By the way, you should check our website.
Absolutely, you should check our website. Now, in terms of methodology, we combine corporate expertise with practical scientific insights from organizational neuroscience, behavioral neurobiology of teams, industrial organizational psychology, consumer neuroscience, and high-performing team dynamics.
Now, how does all of this look in practice? Let's have a conversation.